cold. Today's an important day. I wanted something for a really long time. If I don't meet him by 2 o'clock today, I might have to wait an entire year before I can start this process again. The bad news is I have a million things that I have to do before then, and I just found out I have a flat tire. So now I gotta do all this stuff and get this tire fixed by 2 o'clock. It's gonna be tough. Here we go. Okay. Even when you're in a hurry, it's important to eat a healthy breakfast. Can I get a ham, egg, and cheese on an everything bagel and Diet Coke? That is not a healthy breakfast. Thank you. It's not bad. It's a 08. 08? It's like 30 feet tall, that thing. Man, it's so cold out here. 11 o'clock.
All for the low price of
Okay, we made it. So what did I come all that way for? In case you haven't figured it out, these are bee boxes, which means I am gonna be a beekeeper. Now I just gotta put it all together.